Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to find your clipboard on Android. So this is the clipboard, and if you can't see it on your keyboard, then I suggest that you download the Gboard. All you need to do is go to your Google Play Store and then search for Gboard right here. Tap on the search icon, type Gboard or Google Keyboard. If you see install button, then what you're going to do next is tap on the install button. Wait as it is processing, and once done, you can use it. However, if you have your clipboard icon or if you have your clipboard on your keyboard, no need to do this one. What you're going to do is that you have to copy that specific sentence or a note that you want to paste to the application or to your messages. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I am going to copy a note first here. So I'm going to click this one, and then I'm going to copy a few sentences or phrase or notes here. So for example, this one, I just have to tap and then drag this, click, copy, and then go to my messages, or you can go to any platform you want. Click, and then you will see this clipboard icon. All you have to do is to tap that one, then you will see your clipboard history. So the clipboard history will appear. You just have to long press to pin or delete items. So tap the clipboard icon from the toolbar, and that's it. So if you can't find it, like what I've mentioned earlier, you can download or you can use Gboard. If you have your Google keyboard, then it's the same thing. You just have to tap in the text box to bring up the keyboard. Make sure also that you have enabled this one or toggle on the clipboard once you have installed the Gboard. And that's how to find Clipboard on Android. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.